Good morning, dear students. I am audible. Good
Yes,
morning,
sir.
dear students. Okay, welcome to image processing class. So today we are going to on image compression. LZW coding in image. So with this, first I am going to tell you what is LZW coding because already I have explained in my previous class about this. Once again, I am going to brief it. So dear students, can you see this PPT? Dear students, can you see this PPT?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is this LZW coding means? So it assigns a fixed length code words to variable length sequence. So what is fixed length code and what is variable length sequence? I will take an example. And so if you take this particular slide, we have an image over here, 39, 39, 126, 39, 39, 126. It's an image. And in this image, as the encoder examines the image pixels, in encoder what it is going to do, it is going to encode. Okay, it is going to compress the given image. Once it examines the pixels, okay, array levels, the blocks that is not in the dictionary are assigned to a new entry. Okay, for example, we have 39, 126. So 0 to 256, all the information is present here. Okay, it means 39 will also come, 126 will be also coming under this bound only. But the thing is, if you consider difference coding, what happens in difference coding? You are going to get a new, that is, you are going to add a new entry called 39 minus 39. It is 0, but if you consider 39 minus 39 itself only, which is not present in the dictionary. So that is why we need to fix this value to the new value, that is 256th position. Okay, 256 position. So this is what LZW coding. LZW coding ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It is going to consider a dictionary. ಆ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಹೊಸ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ರೆ that will be added to the end. Okay, so if you just consider this much of information, a little bit difficult to understand. So that is why what we are going to take. We are going to take an example now, and we are going to solve this. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm going to take an example now. So all of you take this problem. Perform LZW coding. on on so we have a sequence here. Sequence is A, B, A, B, B, A, B, C, then A, B, A, B, B. So this is a sequence. This has to be encoded using LZW coding encoding mechanism. So this is the question. Question mark Condra. Perform LZW coding or encoding on the sequence. This. So also he has given the initial LZW dictionary. So he has given a dictionary. Initial LZW. Initial LZW. Dictionary. Index and this is entry. And we have one, two, three numbers. Three index and taken. And entry has to be given as two, three. So this is a dictionary, and this dictionary is already given for us. Work Pandra? Have you taken this, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to encode this sequence. So using this dictionary, we have to encode this sequence. The sequence in Pattayala, the numbers A, B. So these numbers we can also consider them as gray levels and kuda now above. Okay, gray levels are pixels, we can take consider. Okay. So if you consider this entire as an image. So the image of the order now, we consider this as an image. Okay, these are the gray levels. Okay. So I'm going to wrap this. So the sequence has been given. So I'm going to write the sequence here. A, B, A, B, B, A, B, C. Then we have A, B, A. Then B, B, A. So totally 15 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, C, A, B, A, B, A. Totally 14 numbers irutte. You have 14 numbers. Okay. Now you create an encoding table. You have to create an encoding table here. So I need to draw the line. So this is encoded output. Encoded output. Then we have the partition here. So this is a dictionary. Then we have index. And this one is. So this is also a dictionary name, but this is encoded dictionary. This is given. So create a table like this. Then you put a barcode. So you can get in exams these type of questions. Okay. Okay, fine. So the given index is already there. So given index is 1, 2, 3. Shall I write this here? Given barcode. Shall I write this copy? Shall I copy this here, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the first value?
1.
1. Index is 1. And what is the entry?
A.
A. Okay. So this is already there. This is already there, alva. So it is now encoding model because it is already given. It is given. So that is why no encoding will be done. Encoded output baragiಲ್ಲ. Next. You take second one is 2. Second one is 2. So what is the value? Is 3. Sarina? Sarina?
Yes, sir.
Next, similarly, you take the third entry. So this is also not encoded. This is not encoded. Third one is 3. Okay. ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Have you understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now we have to find the different combination of these sequence, different combination of this sequence, and we have to insert them into the dictionary with appropriate encoding mechanism. How this can be done? Let us find out. So just scan from left to the right. So left in the right ನೀವು scan ಮಾಡಿ. So first value ಏನಪ್ಪ? First value ಏನು?
A.
A. Now you check whether this A is already there in the table. Whether A is already there in the table.
Yes, sir.
So that is why to take the next combination. Next combination is
AB.
AB. Okay. Now you check whether AB exists in the table.
No.
No. It means I can insert AB here. You can insert AB here. And this is the fourth entry. This is the fourth entry. Now the encoded output for this AB is try to find out the value similar to existing entries. ಈ ಎ ಬಿಗೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್, what is the index value of A?
1.
So that we have to take here. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು 2 ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿನ ನಾನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎ ಒಂದೇ. ಎ ನ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 1, ಆ 1 ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಎನ್ಕೋಡೆಡ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಏನಾರ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ ನಿಮಗೆ, Shall I repeat? ಅಥವಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Dear students, shall I repeat or shall we continue? Dear students, I am audible. Dear students, I am audible. Dear students, I am audible. Dear students, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ಈಗ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Shall we continue or whether you need to repeat this? So ready? I have to scan from left to right. First I am going to get A. But when I check this, A is already present here. So that is why I cannot insert A. So I will take combination of AB, but AB is not present here. So I am going to insert AB. So this is the fourth item to be inserted. So that is where index will be incremented. Oh, what is the encoded output means? We have to check this AB with the existing entry values. So first you check the A with A. So there is a match. So that is why the index value for A is 1. So that has been taken as encoded output. Clear? Clear? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So next, similarly, you will continue. So now, once we take this AB, once again we have to continue from the last value of the entry. So the last value of entry is, what is the last value of entry?
B.
B. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇವಾಗ. Okay, to take this as B. Okay, so now from B you continue. Now you take BA. Okay, whether BA is available. Now you take BA. Whether BA is already present in the entry table. Yes or no? BA, ನೋಡಿ ಈ BA combination entry table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes or no? Yes, students, I am asking you something. Whether BA is already present in the entry, yes or no?
No.
No. So it means I can insert that, okay? I can insert that into that entry table. So now the index will be incremented to 5. Index will be incremented to 5. Now, to try to find out the similarity of existing entries. So B is present here, so but B is present here. So what is the encoded output here for BA? What is the encoded output here? How
2.
much? 2. Very good. Because this B will be matched with this B. Okay. So the value of the index value of B is 2. So that is why I have taken 2 here. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now you try to take the last entry value now is how much?
A.
A. So now you have to start from here now. So this point. Okay, from A. So now take AB. Now you check whether AB is already present in the table. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is why we cannot take AB. So we will continue the combination process. So ABB, whether ABB is present in the table. Whether ABB is present in the table. Yes or no? Dear students, whether ABB is present in the table, yes or no? Check the entries. Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ whether ABB ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. Yes or no?
No.
No. So it means I can insert ABB here. I can insert ABB here. Okay. Now you try to find out. So this is the 6th entry. So try to find out the similar items with the existing entries. So which is a similar item which is present in the existing entry? Highest match.
AB.
AB, very good. AB. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AB ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ AB ಇದೆ. What is the index value of AB?
4.
So you write encoded output as 4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes. Shall we proceed? Shall we continue? Hello? Kindly give the answer for me. Shall I proceed?
Sir.
Okay, what is the last value here? What is the last value here? What is the last value here?
B.
B. Okay, so B. So means, so this one we have to take into consideration. From here we have to continue again. Okay, now you start from here. So B is already there here. Now what about BA? Whether BA is already existing? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have to continue then. So now you continue this combination. Now you will reach BAB. Whether BAB is already present. BAB ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮುಂಚೆನಾರ ಇತ್ತಾ BAB ಅಂತ? Whether BAB is already present here?
No.
No. Now means we have to enter that. Okay, B, A, B. So this is the 7th entry. Now you try to compare with the existing entries for the encoded output. B, A, B, A highest match ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
BA.
What is the index value for that?
5.
So you write 5 here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what is the last value over here?
B.
B. So here it is. This is B. Now you continue to scan. From B is already present here. What about BC? Whether BC exists in the table?
No, sir.
So
No, sir.
BC is not exist in the table. So now you try to insert BC here. So what is the index value now? It will be incremented to 8. It just increment ಆಗ್ತಾ. Now you try to find out the highest match for BC. Highest match for BC is to
B.
B. What is the value, entry value of index value of B?
2.
2. So the encoded output is 2. So what is the last value inserted here?
C.
What is the last value inserted?
C.
C. So we have to continue from C. So we have to continue from C. What is ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ continue ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ C ಇಂದ continue ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now we will continue. So CA. Whether CA already exists?
No, sir.
So now I can insert CA. I can insert CA. Okay. So the index will be incremented from 8 to 9. Okay. Now try to find out the highest match for CA.
C.
C. What is the index value? What is the index value for C?
3.
3. So encoded output is 3. Okay. So this is 3. Okay. So what is the last value we have inserted here?
A.
A will be the last value. So this is the A. A will be the last value. Once again, we will continue to scan from A. So A is the start ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. A, B. Whether A, B already exists?
Yes, sir.
So definitely A, B exists. Okay. So that is why we will continue A, B, A. Whether A, B, A existing?
No, sir.
So you insert that, okay? A, B, A. So now index will be incremented to 10. Now you try to find out the highest match for ABA.
AB.
AB. What is the index value for AB?
4.
4. So encoded output is 4. Okay. Now last value inserted is
A.
A. So here it is. This is the A. This is the A. Now you try to scan again. Okay. So in the start notation AB. Whether AB already exists?
Yes, sir.
Now you continue ABB. Whether ABB already exists?
Yes, sir.
So we cannot insert. We continue ABBA. Whether ABBA already exists?
No, sir.
So now we have to insert ABBA. ABBA. Okay. So the index is incremented to 11. Try to find out the highest match for ABBA.
ABB.
It is ABB. That is the index value is
6.
6. Okay. Now, what about the last value here? What about the last value here?
A.
A. So, the last value will be A. Okay. So, the last value is A. This one. We have reached here now. Okay. So now if you consider this A, So the A is already present. What is the entry for A? What is the entry for A?
1.
1. So this completes the encoding table. This completes the encoding table. Okay. So ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Have you taken this table? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so here the encoded output, okay, for the string, for the sequence, encoded output for the sequence of the sequence ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A B A B B A B C A B A B B A. So this is the sequence. So the encoded output for the sequence is, what is the encoded output? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ? This is the encoded output. Okay, so here it is. This is the encoded output. You tell me that encoded output value. Ready? It is. Start ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1. Next. Next. Next is. Yes, students. What is the next value?
2.
2. Very good. Next we have 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1. So this is the encoded value. Okay, encoded value of A B B B A. So what is the number of characters? If you consider the sequence, how many digits, how many values exist? Count ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A B B B A count ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 14 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you count the encoded output, how much you are going to get? What is the length? Length of encoded output ಎಷ್ಟು?
9.
It is 9, I think. 9 alva?
Yes, sir.
So length is 9. So it means 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
5.
5. So we can save 5 bits. That is compression. That is what is compression. Okay. So if you encode it by using LZW coding, the given sequence we can save 5 bits. Okay. So and coming to this LZW encoding. Okay, so this is one of the best dictionary algorithm ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Best dictionary algorithm and encodes more than one character. So we have more than one character everywhere. So LZW coding can be used. It means more than one character in the sense we can say this character or it may be a grade level, image. Okay. So this is all about the LZW encoding mechanism. If you have any queries, dear students, kindly ask me. Okay, no doubts? Shall we stop? Understood, dear students? Have you understood this concept? Dear students, have you understood? Dear students, I'm asking you something. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for joining. So I will continue in my next class. Thank you for joining image processing class.